So here we have our iSern wheel cleaner. You're gonna spray it onto the wheel. As you can see up on the top half, how it kind of froths up, foams, and clings to it. This is going to allow for a better working time of the actual product to do what it needs to do naturally. So spray it evenly on the wheel. Make sure you cover all the spokes, your calipers, and let this product sit for a minute or two. Now, while doing this wheel, you can spray the other wheel to let the iSern set up. Then we'll come through and agitate the wheel, clean it, and rinse everything off. So you can see the reaction of the wheel cleaner. Obviously on a dark gunmetal wheel like this, you're not gonna see that purple effect as much as maybe a silver wheel, but you can see on the rotor how it reacts with the iron itself, turning it purple. You can see in the barrel here, it's starting to turn slightly purple from all the brake dust sitting inside there. On the spokes, you probably won't see it as much. So once the wheel cleaner is kind of set up, we're gonna take our assorted wheel brushes to agitate and clean it, and actually let the cleaners do the work with agitation. After agitation, simply rinse the wheel and you're good to go. To learn more or order your own, visit www.aensousa.com.